Hey guys, so I wanted to talk about this upcoming airdrop from this project called RedStone. It is basically a data feed oracle, and this project is really similar to the PYTH network. And the big thing is that PYTH network basically airdropped their tokens to DeFi participants, community members on Discord. What this means is that you can basically participate in the RedStone Discord and get higher roles if you interact more and more. Why this is big? Because as you can see here, you can see how much PYTH tokens were airdropped for the Discord participants, for the members, and basically the higher the role, the bigger airdrop PYTH airdrop allocation you got. Here you can see basically the lowest you could get is 1,000 PYTH tokens, which are worth right now, they are worth like $1,000 because one PYTH token is worth, as you can see here, almost dollar. They were actually once at basically about $1, so quite decent airdrop. And that's basically for the lower roles. You could get higher roles based on your these. Basically, you could level up by just being active on Discord and minting some NFTs. And why I am bullish on the RedStone is that this is really similar. You basically can earn your roles, get higher ranks, and here is the list on your ranks and what are the qualifications. For example, the first rank is Ore Diggers, and all you have to do is follow on Twitter, join Discord, and add this emoji to your Twitter nickname. So first rank is really easy, takes a few minutes. The second one is Rock Breakers. You have to do all of the above and engage actively on Twitter. And how to do it, I will show you later. First thing what you want to do is go on their Discord, go on this Warpy server, and basically enter your link your wallet. So after you link your wallet, you will be able to see your RSG points, which are the RedStone points, and these RSG points will most likely determine how big RedStone airdrop you will get in the end. And if you want to do the tasks, you will have to sign up to the Zilli.io and Galaxy. And here you can see content creation weekly. Here is a description of what you have to do. You basically can write Twitter threads, write articles, make videos, make art or animation, and you will get 400 points. And as you get points, you will get higher levels. For example, this role, this is second role, is a Rock Breaker role. You need to reach a greater level than 4th to achieve this. That's basically when you can unlock this. Right now, I am on level 3. I have to do these quests. Like this basically content creation quest will give me 400 XP. Make a meme on their Discord, 100 XP, which is weekly. There are daily tasks where you can like the other member tweets and basically threads and engage with other people on the server on Twitter. Actively support RedStone content on Twitter. What you have to do is really easy, really simple, like, comment, and retweet or quote retweet. Here you will link your tweet and they will review and give you those points and you will rank up. And as you can see here, similar to RedStone, role leveling up gives you more token, more basically bigger airdrop. Right here you can see the lowest was 1,000. The higher you get, the higher the points. The highest you could get on the roles was 7,000. That's $7,000, which is quite big. And this is basically for the Zilli quests. The other one that you can do it for free right now is get this RedStone Expedition Season 1 NFT. And here you can see only 24,000 people have minted this NFT. Many people don't know about this, but this is the Season 1 NFT. I think there will be multiple NFTs, similar again to the PYTH network. So NFTs are important as well if you want to get a bigger token allocation for the RedStone project. And I know that many people don't like to grind for the Discord roles for the airdrop allocation, but I think this is quite big because, as you can see, they raised nearly $7 million, which is quite big. I think Dimension got the similar amount, 6 million or 7 million for the funding, and the airdrop was big as well. Stake your PYTH for other airdrops. You can stake Dimension for airdrops, and RedStone is similar to PYTH. I think PYTH is on Solana, RedStone is on Ethereum, and mostly layer 2s. Here you can see Base, Scroll, Starknet. So this could mean that you will be able to get some allocations from these layer 2s, who knows. And here you can see the roadmap. They will basically have a looks like 3 seasons, and the last season ends on the second half of 2024. So this means you can farm the Discord roles, basically grind for roles and farm the RSG tokens. Right now I have 1,000 tokens. This is not a lot, but you can basically farm these for many more months. And I think season 3 will end at the summer, maybe at the fall, because summers are not bullish for crypto because people are outside, they are not checking Bitcoin price. The retail and the normal people are not really into crypto. So I think after the July, August, that's when the season 3 could end, because the crypto prices will start to go up, and I think that will be the most reasonable time for this RedStone project to launch a token and give the airdrop to the supporters. And one more thing, the best thing about these roles is that it's maybe hard to grind up to get a specific roles. For example, the Wayne Masters role, because you even have to submit an application. But the good part is that only if you are not active for 1 month, they will lower your role. For example, if you have Wine Masters, if you're not active for 1 month, they will lower to Rock Breaker. So you just have to be active once, just tweet something in their Discord, do some Zilly tasks once a month after you get the highest role that you want to get, and you are good. That's basically all you have to do. But if you want to get more points, you can grind. So I think this is great for people that don't have big pockets, that cannot afford to spend thousands to stake and restake their, for example, Ethereum, and participate in these other airdrops that where you have to invest big amounts of funds. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto airdrop alpha, press the subscribe button, press the notification button, so every time I upload you get the notification instantly. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.